Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an eye look for you using the BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac palette. If you've watched previous videos, I just got this for Christmas and I'm unbelievably excited. So you might receive a video or two using this palette. It also looks like I chopped off all my hair. I did not, I promise you. It's just up, but from the front it does kind of look like I got an extreme pixie cut, doesn't it? That doesn't look half bad though. I did have a pixie a long time ago. I liked the pixie. The stressful part was growing it out. That's my advice to anybody who's thinking about getting a pixie. It was amazing. I loved it. It was a moment in time. It's the growing out process. So anyways, we're not here to talk about that though. We're here for an eye look. In my review of this palette, the initial review, I did a colorful look, so I thought today we would do a bit of a neutral look because this palette has it all, just like the Zodiac Love Signs palette. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into this video. I think what I'm going to do is start with Rhodonite. I don't know how to pronounce any of these words. I don't know any crystal names or gemstone names. So Rhodonite, yeah, Rhodonite, this matte brown shade, and I am going to use a Morphe R35, which is a medium blender brush for reference, and I am going to sweep that in slash slightly above my crease. I do have a little bit of like a hooded lid situation. It's not a hooded lid, but a heavy lid situation, but I am going to go in my crease and slightly above it because we'll blend this up with another color. We are going to blend that shade out with Tiger's Eye, this matte orange shade, and the brush I'm using for reference is a Morphe brush. It has no numbers, but it is like a large, fluffy, domed shader brush. What I get really upset about is, or at least on my screen, you can't really see that orange shade all that well. In person you can, and I don't know if it's just because my like screen is blown out or it is too bright or whatever the case may be, but you can see that orange shade. It is just very light. I'm going to deepen the Rhodonite color, the brown color, up a little bit. And I didn't bring that brown color all the way in. I just brought it about 3/4 of the way because I don't do a lot of neutral eyes on my channel because I think brown makes me look tired. I have found that bringing it or keeping it closer to the outer edge of my eye or the outside of my eye makes me look a little less tired. The closer that I bring it into the inner corner of my eye, it makes me look very, very tired. So we're going to try and concentrate it all out here. But that's on my personal eye shape because I also have found that just looking forward, my eyes don't necessarily droop down. However, how like my lid is shaped and situated on my eye, it kind of like makes it seem like they turn down, and I like them to turn up. So I often keep a lot of dark shades on the outside of my eye to like snatch it up, if that makes sense. So the two deepest shades that we have in this palette are Amethyst, which is an extremely dark purple, almost black. And then we also have Hematite or a Hematite, which is this like slate dark gray color. However, I have already laid down brown and orange, and I would like to kind of keep in that like neutrally toned eye, but I would like a deeper shade on the outside of my lid. So what I think I'm going to do is mix the Rhodonite, what we put in our crease, with Lapis, this purple, to create like a brown purpley neutral deep shade for the outside of my eye. The brush that I'm using to do that with is an Morphe M434 for reference. It's like a fluffy shader brush. I I think I am going to put a touch of Amethyst, which is that dark purple, almost black shade, just right on the outside. Now what I'm going to do is on the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to put down this rose quartz matte shade, which is more of like a cream than a rose. And the brush that I'm using is an Alter Ego 6, which is a small shader brush. I'm not going to put down any concealer because I don't really want this to stick. I just kind of want to brighten up the inner corner and like blend into the dark colors that we already have laid down. Blend the creases. Alright, then I'm going to lay down the shimmer rose quartz color with the same Alter Ego brush over top of the matte rose quartz that we put in the inner third and blend it out. Then I'm going to take some of the Rhodonite shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that right next to the rose quartz shimmer and kind of like blend it so it transitions seamlessly out into the corner. They're like really similar shimmers. One is a little bit darker, so hopefully it will help just to transition and it won't be such a stark, bright shimmer, dark matte. Darken up that outer corner a little bit, blend the creases. For the brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to use the center highlight shade, and I'm just going to put that underneath the brow bone and the inner corner, like I just said. Okay, I'm really liking that. If you wanted the inner third to be a little bit more bright and a little bit more shimmery, I don't necessarily want that for this look in particular. You could lay down some glitter glue on top of the matte rose quartz color, just for that shimmer to really like pop, but I didn't really want that for this look. I'm going to go and finish the other eye off camera, and we will be back to finish the lower lash line. Alright guys, finish this eye off camera, put on some liner and lashes on the eye that we've been working on. Did not finish the lower lash line yet. The lashes that I am wearing are the Ayani lashes. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. This particular style is Wispy Cat Eye. They are pretty dramatic, or they're rather on the dramatic side. So let's finish up the lower lash line. And all I did on this side was I took a flat angled brush and I went into Amethyst, and all I did was take it and press it along my lower lash line, kind of like a liner, only taking it about halfway to 3/4. Then taking a small buffer brush and going into that Rhodonite, the matte brown shade, buffing that Amethyst out, and then taking that fat blender brush that we used to blend out that brown on our lid, taking that with the matte Tiger's Eye, which is the light orange, and just blending that light orange all along the lower lash line. Finish it up with some mascara. The mascara I'm using today is the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I'm giving it a chance. I think my eyelashes are a little wonky because I didn't clean off all the glue that I had previously on my eyelashes. But here is the look. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? It is a very pretty neutral eye. And I thought it was important to show that the Crystal Zodiac palette, even though it does have a lot of bright colors, and I think that's what you see first, like your eyes attract you to the yellow, pink, orange, blue, and purple, along with like all of these colorful shimmer shades. However, a palette like this, you can't, you know, tune out the browns, the slates, the creams, and all of the neutral shimmers that you have as well. This palette and the Zodiac Love Signs palette can do such a variety of looks, whether it is like colorful dramatic, whether it's colorful understated, neutral with a pop of color. That's why these palettes, like, I stan them so much, because you can do such a variety of looks with just one palette. So this is the neutral eye that we got using the BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac palette. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know all of that. I think it came out very pretty. I'm not a big fan of neutral eyes, but like, I think this came out very, very pretty. I will link all of the products that I used in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.